Welcome to Cafe Noor. My name is Saud Hussain. We are located at Honeymoon Circle, opposite Asiatic Library Food. Please come, try a chai, enjoy biryani and some delicious kebabs. So we started Cafe Noor with the concept of reviving old traditional ways of cooking food. So at Cafe Noor, we don't use any seed oil. Everything is made in ghee. The recipes are all generational recipes passed down in our family, from our nannies, dadis. And basically, we wanted when a guest come and they have a food, we wanted them, to go back to an time when food was cooked, how it was supposed to be, slow cooking and without any use of artificial flavoring and colors and excess amount of oil. So we started Cafe Noor with that idea, to serve timeless food in a nostalgic setting. Yeah, I think the biggest challenge for anyone starting a restaurant in Mumbai is real estate, and that's the number one challenge, because finding a good property is the most important thing, After which I think licenses and things like that. Yeah, but that was also the biggest challenge for us, and I think that took us almost 3 years, to finalize this place and get it done and get all the licenses and everything in order. So that was the biggest challenge. Just to start, I think just to start was the biggest challenge. So I think what makes our brand different from other restaurants or cafes serving Awadhi or Mughlai foods is that we are very different in the way we prepare and the way we cook food, and the way we look at food, So we don't just look at food as a product which you just consume without thinking about it, So a lot of thought has gone into preparing a menu. And basically, when anyone comes and has food at Noor, we want them to be reminded of the time they used to go to the nanni's or dadi's house and, serve the same quality of food, take them back in its time, where food was cooked slowly, where the ingredients were pure, and food was just honest, and people were more conscious of what they were consuming. So I think we prepare food in a very conscious manner at Noor. I think that's what makes us different from rest of the rest is similar cafes. So Rahil and me, we are big fans of chai and kebabs, biryani. But we found that the market doesn't have any healthy options, or the food is prepared in a very unhealthy way. Excess amount of oil, colors, preservative. So we decided to avoid all of these things. We prepare our food only in ghee, and we use traditional recipes. We prepare food how it was prepared generations ago in India, and we think desi food is one of the healthiest food, and it is trending right now. But sadly, our food has lost its essence along the way. People have started using too much oil, colors, ajinomoto. We decided to prepare a menu without all of these things, and that's how we started Cafe Noor. My personal favorites on the menu are obviously the kebabs, the biryanis. Also a drink which is called Gurka Sharbat. It's basically jaggery sharbat, which we usually consume during when we break a fast in Ramadan. So that's one of our favorite drinks over here. And apart from this, we have a mirchi ka halwa. We have a firni made in good jaggery. So these are also some of my personal favorites. So all the dishes, in fact, at Noor are prepared in ghee. Everything is slow cooked. We make everything in batches, in days, We don't have anything which we can prepare fast. So a lot of times when we have guests at Noor who come in by midnight and the dish is over. So we cannot prepare in 15-20 minutes. Everything takes at least more than an hour to prepare. So, and that is how we have curated the entire menu. There's nothing fast which is made over. Everything is slow cooked. So the number one quality we look in a person is their attitude to serve, and that's the number one thing we look over skills or over qualification is their just their natural attitude to serve people, to have empathy, to be kind, to be generous, and just to treat guests like family and not as just customers. Or so we look at all our guests as a family. I mean, that's the type of environment you want to create. hospitality to me means just serving people to the best of ability, to the best of my ability, and that is just basically what hospitality means to me. To providing the best service to people. Basically, once you open a restaurant, this is your life. Everything else you do out apart from this is just a part of your life. But the restaurant is your life. So you eat, breathe, sleep this business. It's not something which you can turn off. Even it's even running when you're sleeping, or it never stops. So once you open a restaurant, it becomes your life. Everything else is just a part of your life. So I think that's the reality of running a restaurant or a cafe. So if you're willing to give it 100%, or even it takes more than 100%, because you have to let go of a lot of things. This becomes your number one priority. Yes. So the biggest compliment for us is when we have just guests like you. They come in, they want to try our food, and then they quite often tell us that we bring our parents, or we'll bring our grandfather, or we bring our nani or dadi. And there have been instances where they've come and they've celebrated their birthdays or their special occasions with us. So that is the biggest compliment for us, because it gives us a sense of proof that what we are serving is right. Because if those people are liking that from that generation, where things were more honest, pure, and real, it makes us feel that okay, we are at least doing something right. So I think we are one product. Rather than targeting the Gen Zs, we are targeting we need the validation of the older generation more, because that's our type of food and cuisine we are serving here, which I think will never go out of style or fashion. Thanks to God, we've got so much love from our guests, and it's been unbelievable, this journey so far. And I think we never had expansion on our mind, and even now we don't have expansion or franchising or all of these things on our mind. The only objective with Noor is to serve the best kebabs and biryani over here, and then let's just see how God takes us forward, with the love of our guests. That's the only. We are not into the game of franchising numbers. We are into we're just trying to serve the best biryani, the best kebabs in Bombay, and just making our guests happy. And let's see how it goes. We didn't start Noor to become a multi XYZ amount of brand. We just serve a good chai, bun maska, biryani, and so far the guests are loving it, and that's more than enough for us. I've lived and traveled to many cities outside India, within India, but always I come back to Mumbai. And nothing beats Mumbai. There's just something about Mumbai which always brings us back. So obviously a lot of things are inspired from Mumbai. Like if you see a lot of our artwork outside in the alley is inspired from the life of Mumbai and just our surroundings. So Mumbai has been a big inspiration, in creating this cafe, and we've tried to retain the old Mumbai vibes. Like we have the old Mumbai taxi. We have some other old elements of Mumbai. We've also picked up some old. A lot of our furniture is old, the lights from Chor Bazaar. So we try to bring that element of old Mumbai into our cafe, which will always be a part of, I think, all of us. The soul of a cafe, I think, lies in the memories and the delicious food all our nanis, dadis, and mothers used to serve us. So I think that's the soul of a cafe, because the menu, our entire theme, everything is inspired from that. So we just want to carry that on, forward as we go. Just be honest to those traditional ways and methods of cooking, and keep serving the guest in that same manner. I would like to thank Indian Hospitality Magazine for coming to a cafe, for visiting us and covering our story. Also, I would like to give a small message to people who are planning to come into the hospitality industry. Is just start. Just start, and everything else will take care of itself. Just be honest and just start. Don't think about the size of your cafe. If it's a small cafe, you just have 10 seaters, 20 seaters. Even if you just have 5, if it's just a 5-seater cafe, just start. If your product is good, if you're honest, I'm sure you guys will definitely do well. And once again, I would like to thank Indian Hospitality Magazine for starting this initiative, and I wish them best of luck.